Tesla's price flux continues. The EV maker raising prices of its models S, X, and Y vehicles. The increase a welcome sign for investors worried about Tesla's slimming margins thanks to its aggressive price war. But the year ahead is bright for electric vehicles. The International Energy Agency expects 14 million EVs to be sold this year. That's up 35%. But even as demand surges, EV startups struggle to scale up and compete with delivery volume from industry leaders Tesla and BYD.
The EV market is continuously expanding, and so is the number of electric car companies that are making their way into the market. And now, Tesla, which was one of the dominating companies in the past, is going to have to do some extra work to maintain its leading position.
It is, they're making about 2,000 cars a month. Fisker is making, slightly more of its trucks, but not that much. Another company, Lordstown Motors, is barely alive and running out of cash, it seems. So, what we're starting to see is as the industry matures, like any industry, you go from kind of startup talk and all the hype and excitement about what could be to the bigger companies coming in and saying, right, we're going to do this and we're going to scale it. So, I predict that some of these companies will fail. Others will be taken over by bigger companies. For instance, Lucid is 60% owned by the Saudis. They could step in at any time. Amazon and Ford have big Rivian stakes. So anything could happen there going forward. But as the EV industry develops, it's really going to be a race for the big boys to catch Tesla. And that's going to be interesting because we're going to start to see big boys from China coming in as well.
Tesla's dominance in the EV market is a testament to its visionary leadership, relentless innovation, and unwavering commitment to sustainable transportation. Since its inception, Tesla has revolutionized the automobile industry, establishing itself as a preeminent player in the EV space and setting new benchmarks for technological advancements, design, and market research. However, alongside Tesla's significant growth, competition is also starting to build up, and this is a source of concern for Tesla investors. Hey everyone, and welcome back to Tesla Tomorrow. The Tesla Model Y recently emerged as the most popular electric vehicle in Europe, according to the latest registrations data from JATO Dynamics. In March, the Tesla Model had 46,697 registrations, an amazing record result that no doubt benefited from the recent price cuts. The Tesla Model Y is one of the few EVs that has a balanced supply and demand ratio, allowing for quick delivery for anyone interested in buying one. This awesome result resulted in pulling up the Model Y to the top of the overall European auto market. In 2022, Tesla sold 137,052 Model Ys in Europe, giving it significant headway against rival vehicles. The second best-selling EV was the Tesla Model 3. These numbers show that Tesla is indeed performing incredibly in its markets. But will this continue in the future? Let's find out. But before we get on with it, if you like this type of content, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications to keep up to date on everything going on with Tesla. Tesla's groundbreaking EVs have consistently pushed the boundaries of what is possible. The company's first model, the Tesla Roadster, demonstrated that electric cars could be high-performance machines capable of rivaling their gas-powered counterparts. This achievement paved the way for subsequent models like the Model S, Model X, and Model 3, each of which has set new standards in terms of range, acceleration, and safety. Europe's passenger EV sales in Q4 2022 grew over 34% year over year, bringing the total of the 2022 year to over 2.7 million units. Battery EVs continue to increase their share, growing by 36% year over year to account for almost 63% of all EV sales, while plug-in hybrid EVs accounted for the rest. Germany was the largest EV market in Europe, with approximately 39% of total sales, followed by the United Kingdom and France. Germany also remained Europe's fastest-growing EV market in Q4 2022, with 75% year-over-year growth, while Norway and Sweden's overall passenger vehicle sales had the highest EV share in the continent. However, the story seems to be different in China. In China, EV makers are fighting to secure market shares. Tesla is particularly facing significant competition with Chinese EV maker BYD. While Tesla's growth is impressive, BYD has increased its sales of battery electric vehicles by about 80% from a year earlier so far in 2023. As of March, it had sold 161,977 battery electric vehicles, most of them in China. BYD is growing faster than Tesla, although both companies are growing faster than the overall market. The BYD Group has set itself an ambitious target for 2023, which is overtaking Tesla as the world's leading EV manufacturer in terms of sales volume. The plans were revealed to investors at a conference in Hong Kong by BYD chairman Wang Changfu. Wang stated that BYD aims to double their 2022 sales volume of all types of vehicle to 3.6 million units globally. Berkshire Hathaway chairman Charlie Munger also said that Tesla is far behind BYD in the Chinese auto market, as stated during a virtual meeting in recent weeks. Munger said he has never helped do anything at Berkshire that was as good as BYD. He also cited that while Tesla reduced its prices in China twice this last year, BYD also increased its prices. One of the key factors behind Tesla's runaway success is its unwavering focus on electric vehicles. Unlike many traditional automakers who initially viewed EVs as a niche market, Tesla recognized their potential to redefine the entire transportation landscape. By devoting all its resources to EV development, Tesla has been able to refine its technology, optimize its supply chain, and create a seamless user experience that sets it apart from its competitors. Tesla's commitment to innovation is further exemplified by its gigafactories, state-of-the-art manufacturing facilities strategically located around the world. These factories, which produce batteries, electric motors, and other crucial components, give Tesla a competitive edge by enabling vertical integration and economies of scale. By controlling the entire production process, Tesla can maintain quality control, reduce costs, and scale up its operations more efficiently than its competitors. Another factor contributing to Tesla's dominance is its extensive supercharging network. Tesla recognized early on that a robust charging infrastructure was critical to the widespread EV adoption process. The supercharger network provides Tesla owners with a convenient and rapid charging option, allowing for long-distance travel and eliminating range anxiety. The expansive network, combined with Tesla's commitment to continuously improve charging speeds and expand its coverage, has given the company a significant advantage over its rivals. Furthermore, Tesla's brand has become synonymous with innovation, luxury, and sustainability. The sleek design, cutting-edge technology, and eco-friendly image of Tesla vehicles has attracted a dedicated fan base and generated substantial brand loyalty. This strong brand recognition has allowed Tesla to command a premium in the market and maintain high demand despite increasing competition. While Tesla's dominance in the EV market is undeniable, it is worth noting that other automakers are stepping up their EV efforts and challenging Tesla's position. In China, Tesla faces stiff competition from homegrown players with similar and cheaper electric vehicles like BYD, NIO, and XPeng. Tesla also cut prices in October for vehicles sold in China as material costs fell and offered various incentives to buyers. It slashed prices again in January after deliveries of its Shanghai-made cars plunged in December. Established companies like Volkswagen, GM, and Ford are making significant advancements and investments in EV production and infrastructure too. They're aiming to capture a share of the growing market. However, Tesla's head start, technological lead, and relentless pursuit of innovation has positioned it rather favorably in order to maintain its dominance in the EV market for the foreseeable future. Tesla's aggressive pricing strategy is a unique opportunity for the company, and it's a great way for the company to increase market share and thus further demand for its vehicles. Unlike legacy automakers that operate through a dealership model, Tesla actually is able to control its prices. Now you may be wondering, how is it able to do this? Well, Tesla can control prices at an executive level, giving it an edge in the competitive EV market. As Tesla continues to expand its production facilities globally and improve the production capacity of its Model 3 and Model Y vehicles, consumers can expect more price adjustments and growing pressure on Tesla's competitors. A part of Tesla's success also stems from its visionary CEO, Elon Musk. His charisma, entrepreneurial spirit, and willingness to take risks has captivated investors, customers, and the public at large all alike. His ability to articulate a compelling vision of the future of sustainable transportation, combined with his track record of delivering on ambitious promises, has instilled confidence in Tesla as a company that is here to stay. With a strong brand, cutting-edge technology, and a loyal customer base, Tesla has solidified its position as the frontrunner in the electric vehicle industry, setting new standards and shaping the future of transportation. What are your thoughts on this? Let us know down below in the comment section. And if you want to know more about what Tesla's been up to over the last few days, go ahead and click on this next video on your screen. See you there.